Look, some days we just don't have it. For whatever reason it is, maybe you're like me and you stayed up until 1 a.m. last night editing a video that only 10 people will see. But whatever the reason is, some days we just don't have it. So today I will be giving you 3 tips to help you create when you are not feeling creative. And in typical YouTube fashion, the third one is my favorite. So stick around for that. Unless I fall asleep sometime in the middle of this video. The first tip that I want to give you is simply simplify. Now, when I thought of this video, I had this idea of filming all of these cinematic shots of me maybe looking frustrated, crumpling up a piece of paper and throwing it in garbage, and all of these really cool, fun shots that maybe one day I will still do. So you might be calling BS because of the shots at the beginning of this video, but those shots you saw were repurposed from another video. So one way to simplify is to find creative ways to use what you already have. All right, back to the video. But being that I am just insanely tired right now, but still wanted to express my creativity and share my story, I just needed to keep it simple. And so yes, maybe one day I will still do that. But that day ain't today. And to me, it's important to still create even if I'm not feeling it. And sometimes, especially if you have a job, I've been there. I've been in that situation where you have to wake up, hop on a train and go to work and do your job. So the trick is not to simplify your message, but to simplify the process in how you create it, how you share it. Because I'm a big believer that creating something, even if it's not perfect, is better than creating nothing. Now, the second tip is set a limit and work within it. You like that, eh? Some days I am just full of energy. I got all of these creative juices running through me, just overflowing. Yeah. And this is my 100% for that day. Now, other days like today, this is all I'm working with. And so I'm actually scared of pouring this in. Now, either way, if I give the whole cup, regardless of the size of it, I'm still giving my 100%. And I'm 100% cool with that. This is my daughter's cup, by the way. So practically how that works is to set a limit, set some sort of constraint and work within that. Work within that sandbox. So for example, for this very video, I gave myself a time limit of 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, I will film, I will film this whole video within 30 minutes, and that's all I'm gonna give myself. And to be honest, I'm cutting it close. But it's that constraint, that limitation that forces me to do what I need to do. So don't let constraints and limitations hinder you. They're actually a good thing. So the thing about creativity, especially in regards to video creation, is that it is demanding. It requires a lot of mental and physical effort to express your creativity through video. And so it is totally fine if you just don't have it, right? We all have these days, we all have these moments where, for whatever reason, we are just tired. Maybe you got kids like me, and you're working on very, very little sleep, very, very little energy. Now I can sit here and say,
hey, you just need to man up, stop being a little baby, get to work.
And look, I was never down for all of this hustle culture crap. I think it's a bunch of garbage. We're human. We all get tired. If you can give 110% on a specific day, that's great. But that's not sustainable. You can't do that every single day. And anybody who tells you to do that, frankly, they're full of and they probably don't have any kids. So now on to the third tip. And like I said, it is by far my favorite one. But I do realize that not everybody can do it depending on your situation, depending on where you are at the moment. But if you can, I highly, highly, highly consider you doing it. And so my third tip is take a nap. And if you can't take a nap, just take some sort of break. Go out for a walk, go sit on a park bench, just go sit and do nothing for a few minutes. Because not only do we need physical rest, but we need mental rest as well from all the things that are stimulating us on a day-to-day, minute-to-minute basis. Now understand that every now and then we need to burn the midnight oil. We got a deadline to hit or something where we just need to grind it out. And I totally get that. I've been there. But for the love of God, please do not make that a consistent thing. And after you've done that, make sure you take a break. And so with that said, I'm taking a nap.